you got there, Abel?
Little catfish action. They're all albino looking catfish.
Damn.
It's a little guy.
Whoa.
1.5, 2 pound maybe.
Yeah, nice little one. There you go. Hey, what's up, man? What's up, guy?
Hello. Hello.
Oh, shit. He talks. Where we at, Abel? Where we at?
Santa Ana River Lakes.
Santa Ana River Lakes. Damn. Where your other buddies at? Where your other buddies at?
I don't know.
Your other buddies.
Alright, gotta put this guy back.
You gotta survive. It's off. But that guy didn't make it. That guy died.